In this video, we're going to be replacing the liftgate actuator. This is going to be on the driver's side, and you're going to need to remove some interior trim panels to get to the connector. Let's get started. Take this piece off right here. Just use a small flat blade screwdriver. And slide that up. Underneath here, you need to take this piece off. There's two wing nuts. Loosen those wing nuts up, right there and there. Set that aside. And take the weather strip, slide it back. Then we're going to use a trim tool. Just get under here. Just pry up. Make sure these are flipped up. This unclips there and in the back. Slide this up, and you can just leave it out of the way right there. If you want to disconnect that, you can, but it's just clipped in. Now over here, slide the weather strip back. You want to take these wing nuts off. Right there and right here. And just grab this panel and slide it out a little bit. Then over here, you can just pop this panel out. Just try to separate that. You can pop it up and out. We just need to access a bolt that's right here. There's a bolt right here. If you just pry this panel out a little bit, use an 8mm socket, and you can take that bolt off. If you want, you can take this whole panel out. There's just a lot involved with seat belts and stuff, so it's just easier to just slide it out of the way. Take that out and grab the panel. There's a trim clip up top here. Just use a trim tool. Just try to pop that off. Pop that off. There's another trim clip up top. And just slide this out of the way. We're just trying to get to the connector that's right here. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab and slide it out. Take this grommet off right here, just pull, and because you already disconnected the connector, that should come right out. Before you take any of these clips off, you want to make sure you have someone else to support the liftgate. Once you take this down, the liftgate is going to fall. Now we're going to pop this end off. Just use a pick. You just need to pop the end clip off, then it slides off, just like that. Then on the inside, we're going to do the same thing, just with the pick. Just get underneath the clip. And slide it out. There's the old one. Now take the new one, slide the wiring harness in, and we'll attach the clip. Attach the bottom just by pushing it in, and attach the top. And lock it in. Now where the rubber grommet is, just push it in so it seals, And take this connector, line it up. And lock it in place. Now you can take the trim pieces, line them up. Make sure that's all the way pushed in. We're going to put that bolt back in. Get it started and tighten it down. And snug it down. Now you want to put this panel back in place. Get it lined up. Looks good. And put these wing nuts back in. And the lower one. All right, that's good. Now take this panel, slide that in position. Might have to move the spare tire cover a little bit. Just kind of goes under there a little bit. With it lined up, just push it down. Slide this piece in place. And tighten those wing nuts. You just do a quarter turn. And then this cover. Line that up. Lock it down in place. And the weather strip adhesive. Or the weather strip, not the adhesive. Just line that up and push that all the way on. After you're done, you want to manually close the liftgate so that it initializes, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.